always wanted a design board, but I've never had space to do it. And I'm just going to show you a way of doing it fairly cheaply, but it's effective. These are polystyrene sheets that came with the tables to protect the tabletops in transit. What I've done is I've got two and put them together. You can buy foam sheets. I wanted at least sort of ½ inch thickness really, just to be able, if I was going to put anything in, that there was plenty of depth to it. To give it a bit of stability and to keep it in one place, I've used gaffer tape just to hold them together. So next thing that you need is some wadding. If you want a bigger one, I'm going to do a bigger one to go on the other wall as well. You can use those tapes to tape sheets together. So it's just some spare wadding that I had. Just checking it. And what you need to do is some 505 spray. Make sure it's in a well ventilated area. Just put exchange up. And then just going to lightly spray that on. That noise is just the heat exchange, just the air exchange, so just take the fumes out. Right, I'm just going to lay that on there. I'm just going to turn that over, and I'm just going to ease that out, get the wrinkles out. So what happens is the fabric you can just put up against on here and it will just stick to it anyway. But if you've got heavier blocks, you just need some extra security you can pin into it. So that's there. I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to trim away some of the excess so there's not so much to put round. Make sure you've got enough to put over the edges. So this was just just managed to find a scrap of wadding big enough to go over. Right, just turn that off so it's not so noisy. Off this end. Okay, just one more edge to do. Get rid of that out of the way. Right then, and fold that up there. Just going to make sure that the corners are not going to be too bulky if I leave that there. I'm going to cut some of that out. Might have to do the scissors actually. There we go. Right, so what I'm going to do is going to just fix the corners down and then gradually work it there. So what I'm going to do first is just cut off some little bits of tape. Just easier just to pull it straight off the edge of the table than it is to cut it and hold it in place. Get 4 for now. Good. Just make sure that that's pulled over. Just going to put that in place there. Let's do, and I'm just going to work my way around the corners to do that. So just so I'm going to do because there's some of the adhesive, the 505 spray, just pull that over, get that in place. Easy. Just hold that into place. So, what I'm doing now is I'm going to go from one corner over, just press that into place. And that will hold that down. More to do. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is just put one strip across the centre, horizontally and diagonally, that's just to give it a bit more stability. And I'll go from diagonally from corner to corner as well. So on a bigger one this would be even more essential. It's not such a big essential part of a small one, but just help if you check the direction that you're going in first. So, there we go. So if you're going to fix that up on the wall, you can use those 3M command strips that doesn't do damage to your wall, and it's removable. You can see now it's a bit more stable than it was. Yeah, so use the 3M command strips to put it on the wall so it's removable. And then you've got a handy design board then just for putting small blocks on. As you can see, this is only going to be for small blocks, small quilts, put them together, just to give you some ideas, and you can use it for using, getting ideas for fabrics to go together, auditioning fabrics. So I thought that will help. I'm going to do some big ones as well, and I can use it in various areas around the studio. I hope you found that useful.